Overthinking is not a mental disorder, but it may interfere in the normality of your life. Here's how to get rid of it. Tip 1. Say no to your excessive thoughts. Notice when are you thinking too much. Also, acknowledge that such thoughts aren't fruitful or productive for you. Tip 2. Change the channel. Get yourself busy in a completely different activity or subject of work which would distract you from the negative thoughts. Tip 3. Practice mindfulness exercises. There are quite a lot of approaches, but let me tell you the easiest two of them. Yawn and stretch for 10 seconds after every hour. Since mindfulness is all about observations and attention, this is an easy trick. Now, take a chocolate, slow down. Use all your senses to see, smell, and sense the chocolate. Now, take a bit of it and let it melt in your mouth. Feel its taste and that you are enjoying. After you swallow the chocolate bar, just smile. Smile and keep on smiling. Do the same for each of the bite of chocolate. Remember, the key to success is to slow down, sit in solitude and focus. Tip 4. Schedule your thoughts. Be decisive and take decisions quick. For that, set a time limit within which you have to make the decision. For example, daily thoughts like deciding whether to do the dishes, complete an assignment, or cook take not more than 30 seconds to decide. Similarly, with other decisions, give yourself time of at most 1 hour or by the end of the day to avoid overthinking. Tip 5. Change your negative course of conduct and let the positivity reflect in your behavior. If you're running, use a walking feet. If you're yelling, use a quiet voice. Keep hands to yourself, don't hit, and believe in gentle touches. Last but not the least, never forget to use the magic words thank you, sorry, and please. In order to get rid of overthinking, remember to avoid second guessing, rehashing the past, and making miserable predictions. Thanks for watching the video. Now like, share, and subscribe to Tips and Bits by Sarm. Don't forget to follow Tips and Bits by Sarm on Instagram to get closer to us. Thank you.